Hey guys, I am Dawn with Dawn Renee's Designs, and today I am excited to show you my new bathroom remodel. But first, let's take a look at what it started with. So here we are in the upstairs bathroom. When we bought this house 11 years ago, it was the nicest room in the house. And as you can see, it's really not that great. So we are ripping all of this out. This whole tub shower combination, we have not been able to use that for years because it got a leak in it, and yeah, so we just couldn't use it anymore. This vanity, the doors never shut on it, and I couldn't figure out how to fix that. So there's shelving over here, but as you can see, it's not easy to use. I mean, it's very deep, so it's hard to really use it very well. And I don't know if you can see back here, but there's an opening to the back of the shower that was never closed up. And so we get a lot of cold air in the wintertime. And then if I move around to the other side, there's a window here. And so this room, I mean, this is an old farmhouse from the 1800s. So this room was really not meant to be a bathroom, but you know, they did the best that they could and turned this room into a bathroom. So it's pretty small. As you can see, it's a very small room. It has some beautiful wood trim. It has this beautiful old door, which we will be keeping. But besides that, everything else is gonna go. And now let's take a look at what it looked like in the middle of the project. So over here is where the vanity was, and we had to reroute all of the plumbing. And then there's an empty space here that just is not really big enough to do anything with, so we just walled that in. And then here is the new bathtub. And we're working on the walls. I have stripped down all the woodwork. Oh, you're not gonna be able to see too good because of the light, or the natural light. And somebody is here taking a nap. That's Lexi. As you can see, we'll be getting a new toilet. And at this point, we're just working on the walls. So we don't have lighting in or anything. Okay, and now let's take a look at what it looks like now as a finished bathroom. I do have just a couple tiny little finishing touches that I need to do, like putting this up on the wall. I haven't done that yet. There's just a couple other tiny little things that I still need to do, but let me switch you around and let's look at the remodel. All right, that wraps up this bathroom renovation. I hope that you found it to be inspirational. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.